Let's go into settings, and I will show you which ones that I use for my recordings. In each category, I'll point out a few of the key settings. First, we'll take a look at the general settings, where you have several languages that you can choose from. And you have a choice among 3 themes, which will change the way that OBS looks. I personally prefer the dark theme. If you're streaming, and you want to save a copy of your live stream to your desktop, you would check Automatically Record when streaming. If your computer is not that powerful, it may be best to leave this unchecked. In the stream category, streaming services is the most common stream type. You can choose from different services, including Twitch, YouTube, and many others. For server, you can leave it on auto or manually change it to a location closer to you, which in my case would be Dallas, Texas. And the stream key section is where you'd paste the key from the service you're using. In output, we'll look at the simple mode. The streaming and recording settings here will work for most of you. If you are streaming, you may want to increase the video bitrate to 3000 or 3500. Just don't make it so high that people have difficulty streaming your broadcast. If you are recording, set the recording path where you want your files to be saved. Set the recording quality to high, recording format to MP4, and encoder to hardware. Here at the bottom you'll see a warning for MP4 listed. Just ignore it. I've never had an issue using that format.
What is going on, guys? Casual Savage here, and in this video we are back for another OBS tutorial. In this video I'm going to be going through the basics. Now, just before I get into this video, if you'd like to request a tutorial, then be sure to leave it in the comments below or ask me on Twitter. So in the last OBS tutorial, I showed you how to download and install OBS. Okay, so this is the layout, and I did say towards the end of the last video after we installed it, it may be confusing to some or many of you because they've changed the layout. So over here, as you can see, there's something called scenes. Now scenes is very important. So if you are live streaming or if you use OBS to record your desktop, this is a very good feature to use. So by default, you have a scene called scene, and if you right click it you can rename it. Now I'm calling this intermission, and you will see why. So I've named the scene intermission, and now we need to add a source. So if you press this plus button, as you can see, these are the things you can add. Now I'm going to be adding an image, and it's going to be a new image, and I'm going to call this intermission again. I'm going to select OK, and now you browse for the image. So I'm just going to double click it, and it's now on screen. And you can see this is where I got it from. I'm going to select OK, and there we go. Now as you can see, it is not